Hi guys, welcome to my channel and my tutorial. In this section, you see a tutorial about rainfall scene in the Adobe After Effects CC. Okay, create a new composition with ratio 69, composition with 1280 and 720, and 10 seconds. Okay, and now create a new solid layer. Okay, the default color black and the solid layer name is BG. Okay, go to the effect and preset section and type CC rainfall. Okay, drag and drag in your solid layer. Okay, you see a number of options in this section to use. Drops indicate the number of drop. You can increase and decrease this option, this and this. Click X-space to start. Okay, the size indicate you a size of drops and scene depth. When you decrease this number, have a flat rain, and with increase, your footage have depth. This is so vertical. Click space to start. Okay, like this. Next option is like this. Go in circle. Okay. Next option is speed. Indicate speed of rainfall, lower speed and higher speed. Next option is wind. Increase and decrease to have a windy rain or a normal rain. The windy rain and the variation of wind indicate random movement in your footage, random rain, random wind, and so pretty cool. Okay, increase and decrease this. Like this. Okay, speed option that develop your drop in whole dimension and have a good scene in your footage. Color, you select your drop colors, red, increase your opacity for better, blue, white, yellow, and other colors. So good, like fire. Decrease your opacity. Okay, like this. Next option is the background reflection. Speed width and other options in your footage. And I have an extra option in your CC rainfall plugin, the default plugin in your Adobe After Effects CC. Okay guys, Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can help you. Like this video and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.